Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for anyone on the lookout for new job opportunities. In this video, we'll be diving into 3 companies that are actively hiring and offering the potential to earn over $3,000 per month. Whether you're seeking a career change, exploring new options, or just curious about what's out there, stick around as we uncover these promising opportunities. Let's get started. I'm excited to share our first company with you. The first company we have is Reizer. They're looking for appointment setters and offering a sweet deal. As an appointment setter, you will be working from home or wherever you are. Cold calling to schedule appointments with small business owners to attend a webinar with a member of our sales team. All you have to do is set the appointment and our sales team does the rest. 1 week of unpaid training followed by 2 weeks of live training. You'll pocket $40 for every appointment you schedule or attend. Payments roll in every Wednesday, and you can choose between a US bank account, PayPal, or Payoneer. No specific requirements or device specs needed, just keep your background noise free. And here's the best part. After 4 weeks, you get to pick your hours. Any 8-hour shift within a 12-hour window works. Sounds pretty chill, right? If you're keen on flexible hours and making some extra cash, Reizer might just be your jam. I will leave the link in the description. Click on it and apply. Let me show you how the website looks. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the application page. Fill out the information and submit your application. If you are successful, they will reach out to schedule and interview. Well, from me to you, good luck. Next up, we've got PMI Midwest, and they're on the lookout for application processors. Here's what you need to know. They offer a payment range of $5.50 to $9.50 per hour. They are looking for a temporary position for processing applications for prospective tenants. This position will be responsible for process rental and employment verifications, running credit and background checks, answering phone calls and emails from prospective tenants interested in rental properties, preparing leases and completing move-in process for tenants, working closely with leasing and marketing team to ensure move-ins and applications are completed in an efficient time. I will also place the link in the description box for this job. However, you will have to sign up on the VPM Solutions platform in order to apply for the job. I know, that can be a hustle sometimes. But nevertheless, we have to keep on pushing. Let us take a look on the website. Once you select Sign Up and fill out all the details, you should be able to submit an application. I really hope everything works out. I am rooting for y'all. And last but certainly not least, we have Achieve Test Prep. They're currently seeking customer service representatives for a full-time, fully remote position. Here's the scoop. Compensation, up to $20 per hour plus commissions. If you're ready to dive into a rewarding role where you can work from the comfort of your own home, Achieve Test Prep might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore this exciting opportunity further. Here's an exciting opportunity for you. Your primary responsibility will be to assist individuals who have been injured or the families of those killed while working for U.S. companies in military or conflict zones worldwide, such as Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Ukraine, Nepal, and the Philippines. You'll guide them through the process of securing compensation from U.S.-based insurance companies, all at no cost to the client. If you're passionate about making a difference and seeking a rewarding remote career, this could be the perfect fit for you. Responsibilities include helping engage with and support civilians or military personnel affected by injuries or loss. Assist in locating eligible individuals and families for support with collecting compensation. Educate clients on their rights and guide them through the claims process. As you already know, the link is in the description. Take a moment to browse through the job details. If it looks like something you'd be interested in, don't hesitate to click Apply now for this non-US job. Then proceed to upload your resume and fill out the required information. Let's take the next step together. Thanks for joining me today as we explored 3 incredible job opportunities that offer the potential to earn over $3,000 monthly. From Reizer's flexible commission-based roles to PMI Midwest's application processor position and Achieve Test Prep's customer service representative openings, there's something for everyone. Remember, the links to these opportunities are in the description below. So, if any of these roles piqued your interest, don't hesitate to check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more job tips and career advice. And hey, if you land one of these gigs, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and best of luck on your job hunt. Until next time, take care and happy job searching.